Hi, I'm Bree Balchunas, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for February 18th. In January, the ORMC North Tower opened its doors to the community, and as of early February, all units have moved into the tower. But change at ORMC isn't quite complete yet. The emergency department spaces, including the new waiting room, new operating rooms, and pre- and post-op areas, are scheduled to open in March. Here to tell us more is Brian Wetzel.
We project that levels 1, 2, and 4 in the South Expansion will be available and ready for us to occupy starting in probably late March. Those areas include the first floor emergency department expansion of the lab spaces on the second floor, and then new surgical services areas and PACU space on the fourth floor. We've been planning with the teams. There's been lots of discussion planning, so we're looking very forward to occupying these new spaces.
In 2012, two moms who both had daughters battling cancer at Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children wanted to show their support and give back to our community. With a desire to keep funds local and help ensure families receive support and treatment they need close to home when battling cancer, these two moms helped kick off Arnie's March Against Children's Cancer, presented by BMO Harris Bank. The event supports patients like Carly, who is a warrior in the fight against childhood cancer.
Arnold Palmer Hospital, it was my second home for like a year. The nurses at Arnold Palmer, they're all so welcoming and nice, being there all the time. It's like they become your friends and you're like family almost.
From the reception desk in the front where you just walk in to Lily, who cleaned the rooms and came in and mopped our floor, every single person is put there for these kids. They know that these are kids, they know that this is tough for them, and they know that when the kids are there, that's the closest thing to home that they have right then.
You go through so much stuff on that floor, but it's also a good thing because that floor, it's the place where I got healed.
She battled bone cancer and has now become an advocate for the treatment of children's cancer. This event, open to the community and team members, is a free walk at Arnold Palmer's Bay Hill Club and Lodge on Tuesday, March 17th. In its first 2 years, this event has raised more than $200,000 for the Center of Children's Cancer and Blood Disorders at Arnold Palmer Hospital. To register for free or to make a donation to help raise funds, visit arniesmarch.com. Speaking of Arnold Palmer, the Arnold Palmer Invitational, presented by MasterCard, is March 16th through March 22nd. Orlando Health team members can receive a discount on ticket purchases. Visit Swift for all the details. That's it for today's edition. For the Orlando Health News Review, I'm Bree Balchunas.